Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to compare the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the new color that came out, which is the Alpine Green, with the special Sierra Blue color that was released part of the iPhone 13 lineup here. This is really interesting because this is the first time Apple released a fifth color to their Pro lineup. Generally, the regular ones get 6 different finishes, but this is the first time we're seeing a fifth one for the Pro Max here. So here, as you can see, the boxes come exactly the same. This was just released about a week ago. Now you can order it off apple.com and the prices are pretty much the same. The storage and everything pretty much, it's just the color that has changed. So same box that you get on the other Pro Max here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual colors here. So in the box here, you'll get the same thing, of course. Both of them, like, they just only come with that USB-C adapter. We already set these phones up, but if you guys want to know how to set them up, make sure you guys check out the links in the description section. So here, we'll go ahead and put this aside here. Both of them are running on iOS 15. The Alpine Green actually runs on the latest iOS 15.4, which was released. And then you can update the other one from iOS 15 to the minor version as well. So taking a look at these two phones, of course the front is going to be pretty much the same. You can't really tell when you're looking from the front side because the way they're designed, there's no really color. It's all screen body. You got that small top notch, but that's where the front is now. Interestingly, this is going to be where the back part is. So this is the color of the back. So we'll try to put it in different lighting for you guys just so you can see. You can see these huge camera. You can see even on the side bezel here, the blue has a blue to it, and then the Alpine Green has its Alpine Green shade of to it, and then the top here, sides here, side a little different. Let's try. So in the case, if you really look at it, you're probably, the only thing, if you most likely will be using a case for this. If you don't, that's something different. But the only thing you notice here, you'll see through the actual color, is that shaded part right here where the camera is. So this is going to be the part that you really see when you put on a case on these Pro lineup phones. So that's probably the only way you can determine if you have a case on. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this color comparison video. I want to hear from you guys which color is your favorite for the iPhone 13 lineup here. Leave a comment in the comment section. Also, which one you have if you already bought one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.